I was always reading about the dame with the huntel, big as a punt. And she had really lovely children's stories. And not stories, poems. I don't remember reading a children's story. But they were all poems, and that's what I used to read all the time.
And there's one about you?
There's one called Itkele Chanezer. And she told about one day I started to speak to match my slanty eyes, and I spoke. Gee, I haven't read the poem for a long time. But, and then one day I came back and spoke English. But it was a cute little story. But she had lovely stories. Some of them were very thoughtful. I mean, they were all cute stories on the top, but they all had a message underneath. Well, most of them did anyway.